Another tool that occasionally I use. I actually loaned it out and got it stolen from me. I had to buy another one. This is actually a gift from a friend. It's a Power Steamer 715. I don't know how they come up with the number. But it is for steaming off wallpaper and some paint. But mostly what I use it for is wallpaper. And you put it in the container. Let it run for about 20-30 minutes. And it'll start steaming like you see behind us. Then it gives you all kinds of pictures about, don't do it above you because it'll drip on you and burn you. Don't put it on your animal, don't put it on your kid, your wife, don't put it on your own hand. Okay, that's in case you can't read at all. What you do is you put it on here, let it heat up, and then you can scrape it off, and in this case we can peel it off because it's really thick. But there's actually 2 layers on this particular job. So we're able to peel. This looks really easy. It's not always that easy, but you take a scraper and you scrape it off. And then if you leave any fuzz, you gotta heat it up again. And there you go. You're good for about 1.5 hours at a time.